Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 94 and unfortunately bleeding continues, and it's not already even bleeding. This is a huge wound, with blood pouring out of it, because today I started my day pretty good. I started my day with getting into SCNX and out with tight stops, and when I was up not a lot, but taking my profits. Then IMCC popped up. I bought 15 shares. Wasn't getting crazy with, as usually I trade with lots of shares. When the stock went against me, I sold, cut my loser. It was I think like six bucks on 15 shares. Still a lot, but I wasn't holding my loser. Then IMCC, what it's doing, when it was dumping, I sold my shares and it squeezed from 220 up to 3 bucks. And I was frustrated, really frustrated, and decided to jump on it and put the rest of my account into this trade, and finishing my day red, minus $61.74, because I was holding and hoping again. Today, on the last trade, I lost on a cheaper stock. I lost $1 a share, and it wasn't a stock like $7 or $8, so it was a cheaper stock, $3 stock, and I lost on it a lot. I'm gonna be trading with half size of my account because, since I did not follow rules today, I'm cutting my balance in half. So today my balance is a little less than $300, and I'm gonna be trading with 145, around 145 balance. So this is how much I'm gonna be trading with tomorrow, and I'm gonna try to cut my losses faster. I don't know how you guys are cutting the losses with 10 cents loss. I know that Ross was mentioning that he's risking 10 cents per trade to make 20 cents, and sometimes you can be down like 12 cents immediately, even after going into the trade. However, if the stock is strong, I think he is also right. If the stock is strong, sometimes the stock can dip for a few seconds and then squeeze right back up and continue moving higher. So this is what I'm going to be focusing on tomorrow, cutting my cash balance in half, not touching the half of the balance, and cutting my loser if I'm going to be down more than 20 cents. I'm going to try to be at the 20 cents, try to sell it, but if it's going to dip lower, I'm going to get out from the trade. So this is the plan for tomorrow. As I said, today I lost $61.74. Right now I'm going to show you my trades in a trader view. So as you can see, as I mentioned yesterday, after this huge drop, I was just slowly recovering, and then giving everything back and getting even lower, deeper into the hole. So for me, trading with half size of the account will be beneficial, just for the purpose of, right now, I'm not, of course, focusing on making any money. Right now, I'm just trying to get rid of this habit of holding and hoping. And I think this is the most difficult part of the trading for me. And as you can see, I was trading SCNX with 100 shares, made a little profit here, $1.68. We had some rejection. I sold it. On this trade, I was up like $2-3 bucks, and I thought the stock is gonna squeeze higher. But after rejection, I decided to sell because I didn't want my small winner to become a loser. Same thing here. I sold with $2.30 of profit. The stock hesitated. Then you'll see in my trades, we had probably an algorithmic trading. The stock went up to VWAP and it scared me. I got out from the trade. Then IMCC popped up. I'll show you this trade. I bought 15 shares of it. lost $7.50. And as you can see, I was also holding a lot. I thought I got out pretty quickly, but no. I was holding this loser for 4 minutes, and you see, right at the bottom I got out when it squeezed right back up and moved to $3.34. So this was my first trade, and this was a disaster. I put the rest of my account, the rest of the balance into this trade, and as you can see, I averaged down here. First I didn't, but then I bought here, and when it dumped, I ate it instead of cutting my loser. So terrible decision. And again, I don't think I'm at this moment trading the chart. I need to focus on trading the chart instead of, you know, P&L, because I think up here I was, you know, up $4, $5, maybe $6 on the stock. I did not sell it. When it dumped, I just kept holding, as you can see, up to this moment when I sold it. Very bad, and that's a huge long time of holding, and it broke all of the levels necessary in order to get out. I didn't, and you see I ate it here like 1 or 2 shares. Very stupid. Cutting my balance in half for tomorrow, so we'll see how it will go. And again, thank you so much guys for commenting under my videos. I know this past 2 weeks I wasn't doing pretty good. Like now when I'm looking at the chart, when I'm not in a trade, looking at the chart, you know, I buy here, okay, that's fine. The stock dips 30 cents, I'm not selling, waiting. Then when the stock is going higher, I'm not selling, you see. And again, the stock, this is where I needed to hit if I wanted to hit, when it's squeezed higher, not where I ate it. But I didn't do it, and I did not step out when a stock dipped below this 291 level. So when it broke this level, I need to be out of the stock. If, let's say, for some reason I was emotional, I need to get out at 270, but I didn't, and I was holding, and you see a huge dump at the open from 257 down to 229, and again I did not sell. So pretty bad bad decisions, and again freezing and not cutting. So in the first trade I was keeping my fingers at the sell button and was pretty good, fast with executing my trades, but on this one, unfortunately, same story as I had the previous days. This is the habit I cannot trade with, and I need to get rid of this habit. So these are my trade. I'm down a lot today. I think around 17% on a day. Pretty bad. As I said, the bleeding continues, and tomorrow I am trading with a half of my account. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, trading is risky, and as you can see, my results are typical because most of the day traders lose money in the stock market. And as you can see today, I was losing as yesterday. So pretty bad. Right now I'm gonna show you my trades in the pre-market session. Good morning guys. Right now it's 8:50 in the morning. I see we have VTYX on the scanner up 91%. It's right at the VWAP, and it hit below VWAP and went up to 200 EMA, looks like. There is a SCNX. SCNX is moving. FTX is 24% on a day, moving pretty fast. Can go up to 295. $338 is the possible high. $302 was the high on this one. VIVK moving slowly. And it just broke. This level 266, the previous low. I'm gonna buy a SCNX. I bought a SCNX for the break of UWeb. Having some trouble with this low. Sold it with small profit. Looks like it's moving higher. Bought 100 shares. I'm back into the stock. We'll see if it's gonna break 89. So it's breaking 89, it's at 90. Then we go to the high of the day. I was trying to sell, put my order. We'll see if it's gonna get filled. Sold another 100 shares. Didn't like this huge rejection that we had before when we moved higher and then went below VWAP. IMCC on the scanner. Looking at 10-second chart, trying to buy 15 shares of IMCC. The stock has news. So we're looking at bull flag on 10-second chart. Not averaging down, just sitting on this position. Not a pretty trade. Trying to be out. Thought I put my order to sell. Why cannot sell it? I pressed the sell button. Sold it with a loss. IMCC is moving. Look at that. Look at the IMCC, the one I sold. Okay. 54% on a day. I'm jumping with 25 shares on IMCC. IMCC is squeezing higher. Sitting with my 25 shares to see where it's gonna go. Third leading gapper. IMCC, the second leading gapper on the day. I'm gonna edit another 10 shares on IMCC. looks like IMCC, it's pretty strong. Trying to move higher, 303. Back to 295. I'm adding another 10 shares. Try to add. I think I was unable to add. It's squeezing higher, nice. Rejection. The 73 needs to be broken to 70. 71. Sold 15 shares. Sold another 15 shares. Not moving. So minus 65 bucks, and I think on CNBX I made SCNX I made like, I don't know, $3-4. Tomorrow I'm trading with half of my balance. So finishing my day red. I'll see you tomorrow.